I almost didn't make it, y'all, but we're here. This transformation took me about a month to complete. The goal was actually 1 week, really a day, but I am so excited to share with y'all how it turned out. If you're a creative or an artist, you probably already know how workspaces can get, and to put it nicely, very chaotic. At least that's for me. For context, I do not have a traditional art studio, so I set my studio up in a small nook in my family's sunroom. It's about 50 square feet. It can get very cramped really quickly, but I've come up with a solution. One of my biggest challenges is organization. Most of the times, things just end up where I see fit, and that creates more mess. Seeing a lot of things piled up around me really gets me antsy, and I don't know why. It just brings my mood down, and then I don't feel like doing anything. I don't feel motivated to do nothing. So for my idea of this space, I know that I want it to be very cozy, motivational, and light. I don't want too much stuff around me, again, because I want to feel like I have more space. Also gonna focus on using more of my vertical space, the walls, maybe having some higher shelves versus using the floor space. I'm trying to maximize my area as much as possible, so the least amount of things that I have on the floor, the better and the more spacious it will seem. I am determined that I will create something that feels fresh, something that feels new, something that feels like me. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm gonna admit it, this is taking a bit longer than what I thought. I started this Sunday. I think I had ordered some stuff from Amazon, And let me tell you, my original plan was supposed to thrift items, especially from like Facebook Marketplace, because they have a lot of stuff. But I didn't find many things that I thought would fit in my space, especially this corner, because this corner is so small. So it's taking a long time. I'm really just excited to see like how it's gonna look put together, because I don't necessarily have an aesthetic that I'm trying to go for. I'm just trying to make it clean and nice to work in. I don't want to be working in no dirty area. Yeah. But I did do quite a good amount of shopping. I didn't buy too much stuff, like as you saw. I did score this frame. I do want to show you guys from off of Facebook Marketplace for only $5. It's a really cool frame. I like it. And I'm gonna put a piece of this. So if you know any other places that sell cool frames, let me know. I'll be looking out for them. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can done tonight, and hopefully I don't have to do too much this week. So yeah. I love how this turned out, and honestly I did this on a whim, so I'm pretty surprised by myself. I think having this organized system in place makes such a difference. It really helps me with my workflow and my overall motivation. I've always loved experimenting with spaces, even since I was a kid. Like, I used to watch those home improvement shows so much, along with Project Runaway, but that's a different story. Whether it was rearranging my room or just finding ways to make my small spaces feel bigger, the urge to create new environments was always something that I loved to do. Looking back, I think that same mindset is what shaped me into the artist that I am today. Constantly experimenting, refining, and finding inspiration in places that you wouldn't really think of. If you're curious about my journey as an artist, I share more of that in this video right here. I'll be posting more creative insights as well as take you along with me on my artistic journey. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.